let's expand these brackets. What does expand brackets mean? Well, it means for every term inside a bracket, it's going to be times by the term outside. So this 4 is going to times the x and the 7. And if I was to write that down, that means we would get 4 times x plus 4 times 7. And then simplifying that, doing the multiplying, 4x plus 28. Now for the next one, the only real difference is negative, the takeaway here. Well, we'll keep the takeaway. So 5 times 3t, and then remember to times both of them by the 5, comes that. So 5 times 3t is 15t, minus 5 times 2 is 10. Now what's different about the last question? Well, in the last question there's 3 terms, but still the same things happen. I'm going to times them all by 2. So rewriting this, I'm going to get 2 times 4x minus 2 times y plus 2 times 4. So 2 times 4x is 8x, 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 4 is 8. So they are my answers.